Good morning. Here we are. We made it to our campsite. A grueling day yesterday. A really grueling day yesterday. But all worth it. This view is incredible. Everything is frozen all around us. It's all really nice and well worth it. Today we're going to actually find the actual border post that says 3 provinces, where we're actually at the intersection between the Free State, Mpumalanga and KwaZulu-Natal. I think we got through most of the major obstacles, but I know there's a couple more waiting for us. So again, we're just going to take it slow and steady, walk the trail, move some rocks around, do what we need to make it work for us. But so far, the vehicle's been performing really well. And yeah, I'm really excited for the next day. Campsite's all packed up, and it's time to pack away the rooftop tent. Let me show you how it's done. Grateful for a good night's sleep in the Eezi Awn Blade, it was now time to pack it up. A few simple steps later and it's all packed up, and we're ready to go, full of excitement to see what lay at the pinnacle of the 3 provinces trail. And this is where we are now, it's here. So day, yeah, we're gonna go that way around there and then back like that. We don't want to do this. That's a 5 rated trail, the obstacle, Helshoogte. It is famous for making cars roll over, and we have no intention of doing that today. So we will instead do the waterpanna. So then that'll take us this way and then back that way home. We have an equally long day ahead of us. Got my big boy pants on for some of those crazy obstacles. Unlike anything I've done before. It's quite incredible. I can't believe this place is only 3 hours away from home. Like, this for a weekend away is just incredible. Really is incredible. The views are really world class. You drive on top of mountains. You drive up mountains. You go through forests. You go through everything. It's just really epic to be out here. But this is definitely a place that, you know, if you have the opportunity to ever get out here and you have a vehicle that can accomplish this, I really hope you give it a go. And I really hope you get to experience this too. I think that's something awesome about like Roam overlanding for me. It's the rugged overlanding adventure movement. This is what it's about. It's about doing this kind of stuff. Getting out there, going to places where you gotta have balls of steel to get there. And it's cold, it's freezing at night, and it's hot in the day, and it's just like, it's about feeling alive. Yesterday my adrenaline was pumping the whole day. It was just incredible. And I went to bed and I've never slept so damn good in my life. I mean, part of that has to do with the new rooftop tent and the nice mattress in there and everything, but it's just, this is what being alive is about. And I feel like if I can't do this at least once a month, it's just, I go crazy. I really go crazy. It's like coming out here just recharges my batteries. It just allows me to just reconnect with myself and be me again. And I think that's passion. I don't know how to describe that feeling. Like, I love it. There's just views all around us. What an epic journey to get to this point. And now the journey begins to get back down. Getting to the destination is only part of the adventure. It's still time to get home. But this is epic. And now, with nothing left to do but to make our way back down. If we thought getting here was tough, what lay ahead would still challenge us. And we had to face a couple of those challenging obstacles from yesterday, except this time going downhill. There was no chance to get comfortable. With the new upgraded suspension on the Jimny, you can see just how easy it is for the wheels to flex around all the rocky obstacles, yet keeping the vehicle stable. definitely feel like I would have benefited from dropping the tire pressures a bit more on this trail. It would have helped by giving a little bit more traction on these tricky sections. And the Three Provinces Trail giving us one last challenge before we hit the road. Some of the descents feeling so steep and dangerous that I anxiously clutched at the brake pedal, stalling a couple of times on the descent. But to keep the vehicle in control, I start the vehicle directly in low range. For safety reasons, I turn over the engine without touching the clutch. This will prevent your vehicle from rolling and keep everything under control. Although the Three Provinces doesn't care much for your control. The vehicle running away a little bit faster than I would have liked. As always, it's so incredible to be here, but then to film it and try and capture it and share it and everything, it adds a lot to it. Everything takes about twice as long, but it also allows me to savor things a lot more. So I hope you enjoyed this trip. I hope you enjoyed this journey, and I hope this inspires you to go out there and find those hidden gems near you where you can go and feel this feeling. If you feel like you resonate with Rome Overlanding and everything that it represents, and you want to show that a little bit, I have a little bit of merch available. So, every piece of merch you buy goes towards growing the channel and contributing towards me being able to go to more and more remote places and try and find crazier places to take the Jimny, and to be able to film that and share it with you guys. So I would appreciate it if, even if you just buy a sticker or something, every little bit helps. If you don't want to do that, there's also Patreon, where you can donate every month. Even just a small amount contributes towards the channel and everything that we do. But for now, if you don't want to do that, there is just supporting the channel, watching the videos, listening to the podcasts, liking the photos on Instagram, and sharing it with your friends and family, and that is still really means a lot to me. And thank you guys all for the continued support, time and time again. I really, really appreciate it. I'll see you guys again soon. Cheers. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. You can head over to Instagram and Patreon for even more content. Check the notification bell to make sure you get notified whenever a video is uploaded. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.